Today we talk about top 5 programming languages to learn, must learn in 2019. First of all, we talk about Python. Python is one of the most taught languages in school and colleges across the world. In the USA, Python has replaced Java from many academic courses as a preferred language to start with. Python is one of the most popular language which can be used as a scripting language as well as proper object-oriented languages for large projects. Second, now we talk about Java. As we know, Java is one of the most popular languages of the last 2 decades and rules the world of server-side application development. It also holds a sizable market share in mobile games like in Android development. Java was started with a simple thought of Vora, write once, run anywhere. But over the period of time, Java actually run everywhere. You should learn Java to build a robust, scalable server-side application. Third, JavaScript. You can find replacement of Java with C++ and Python to Ruby in the list, but honestly, there is no replacement of JavaScript in today's world. In the last 5 years, JavaScript has totally dominated the world. It is no more a client-side scripting language. With the framework and libraries like Node.js, Angular, React, Flutter, Ionic can use JavaScript on server side as well as for user interface development. Some part of JavaScript's this overwhelming success goes to jQuery, which truly changed the way you use JavaScript on the client side. C++ programming. You cannot be a true programmer without knowing C or C++. This is a very strong statement, but I am saying this from my years of experience. It is one of that language which you must know. I learned C during my academics and learned many key programming concepts along the way. Structure, array, pointers, memory, management, etc. The C is still the most preferred language for system programming, and it has given Java a solid competition at the top of the table from last 2 years. Last but not the least, SCALA. SCALA is the language which is created based on the best practices of the last 20 years. It is also a functional programming language, so it offers a different paradigm than object-oriented programming, which will improve your thinking and code sense. I found learning SCALA is easy than learning Haskell. Final thoughts. For C++ programmers, Haskell makes more sense to me. To be honest, you can choose any functional programming language, but choose one which has commercial demand in the market. As a professional developer, I prefer to invest my time, your time, on something which can be used in your career, my career, and if you want to learn SCALA, then beginning SCALA programming as a good course to begin with. I hope you enjoyed this video. Allah Hafiz.